So I'm spending my week talking about peeling paint. So I want to chat with you in today's tip from Tara about appraisals and the things that you might want to do as a seller listing agent to assist your sale going through smoothly. So here's the story. I've got a veteran purchasing a property, and one thing that is unique to FHA and VA loans is that they are very interested in peeling paint on the property. Why? Because they're concerned about the safety of lead-based paint, especially, of course, in older homes pre-1978. But it's the government, so they have the same kind of weirdness about peeling paint even on newer homes. So it applies to all FHA and VA loans. And in this story, I think it would have also impacted us on conventional. So listen up, even if you don't do a lot of Govy loans. So here's the situation. It's a brick home, very little wood on the home at all, but of course the trim is wood, and it is peeling. It's pretty in need of some assistance. So the VA loan then, because this home was built in 1971, the appraiser noted the peeling paint, and now we have to repair it with a company that is certified to deal with the environmental hazards of lead-based paint because of the potential of that paint having that chemical in it. So what could have happened to make this process easier? Number one, before you list the home, go ahead and deal with any peeling paint. Having a handyman scrape and paint, especially if it's only trim, only in a few places, is not very expensive. And you can go ahead and have that done before you even list the home. Now you've saved yourself any issues with FHA or VA, and by the way, increased your curb appeal. Okay, so I think you're going to get the payback from that. Next would be if you accept an FHA or a VA offer, they are almost 100% going to call out peeling paint. So go ahead and do that handyman touch-up before the appraiser even gets there. Save yourself the hassle. If you wait till they condition for it, depending on the age of the home, they might condition to have it done in this environmental way, and that adds cost and time to the process. In this particular case, home was built before 1978 with substantial peeling paint. I am telling you, a conventional appraiser very likely would have called this out as a potential safety issue. So it's not just government loans. I don't want you worried about government loans, because if you handle it correctly, a handyman dealing with the scraping and retouch up is very, very inexpensive and should not be any kind of detriment to what type of loan product you would accept, okay? It is just a weirdness of those loans, peeling paint, and by the way, missing railings. But I don't get too worried about the railings either, because those can be fixed with a couple $100. Remember, we can throw up a couple 2x4s and make a railing. It does not have to be wrought iron or pretty or expensive. So FHA and VA loans, particular about a couple of things on the appraisal, specifically peeling paint and missing railings. But if you have the listing, go ahead and deal with that early. Talk to your seller about getting that out of the way so that your home is appropriate for more buyers and you avoid any hassle down the road. If you have any questions about anything related to appraisals or loans in general, we are here to help.